feel like store-bought bras just don't work? Just not your body shape, not what you're looking for, don't fit right, are uncomfortable? Did you know you can actually make your own? Yes, it is a little bit more advanced. It's not an absolute beginner project, but the real trick to making your own bra is getting the right supplies, which is why in this video, you're going to learn the exact supplies you need to make your own bras, as well as the quickest and easiest way to get a complete set of supplies sent right to your door. Hi, my name's Abby and I help absolute beginners start making clothes they love. And this video is actually part of a free event I put together called the Fabric Shopping Bootcamp. It's a place for you to get all of your fabric questions answered all in one place. And if you join the official event, you actually get a chance to win over $500 in sewing prizes. So if you'd like to learn more about the event, the link is in the description. Again, it's totally free. So let's head over to Bra Builders and see what you need to make a bra.
Hi, I'm Nikki G of Bra Builders, where function meets beauty. You get your lingerie making supplies from us if you're a home sewist. So today we are going to review the fabrics that you would get in a muslin kit when you begin your lingerie making journey, specifically bras. We're going to review the kit, all the things that come in it, and just really give you an idea of what fabrics to use for what parts of the bra. There's fabrics, there's elastics, and then there's different tools for you to use to achieve your best fit. And it is a journey. Remember that part. Now, we've been wearing bras all our life, right? So I wanted to show you on the dress form where everything is. This is the really cute version. The version that you're going to practice with is all white fabric. All right. So, but just remember, as we're talking, the front of the bra is non-stretch. The back of the bra is stretch, non-negotiable. Remember I said that part too, okay? You've got straps and you can have a wire or not. It just depends. So we'll get to that also. Write this down. I'll have notes on the video also. The cup fabric that you're going to use, we'll start there. The cup and band fabric. Cup and band fabric is a non-stretch. It is called Micro Duoplex. It's an exclusive fabric to Bra Builders, and this is one of the best fabrics that you'll find that will have non-stretch for your cup and the band. The next fabric you'll have is also a non-stretch, and it's a lining. It's called a sheer cup lining. It's a nylon tricot. All right, a really tight weave. So again, there's no stretch on it. And in the package, we do a different color so that you can kind of see, because white on white can get kind of bland. So you'll be able to see your stitches and everything. Those are the two main fabrics for the front cup and band of the bra. Now there's two more things before we leave the front of the bra. This is the wire channeling. And it's an actual channeling that the wire goes down into. So you can ask me why I said that earlier. I think you can see it there. Yeah, there you go. So the wire goes down inside the channeling once you stitch it on to the cradle of the cup. The wire is on the inside right there. Okay, that's the wire channeling that goes in the front of the bra. And then in this packet, we'll give you some lace to play with. All right. You can make a bra with or without lace, but this is a stretch, and tulle lace is non-stretch. Stretch lace has spandex in it. So this is a plain muslin version of lace that will come in your packet so you can play with laces as well. Now let's review the elastics and the back band fabric. Let's turn old girl around. This fabric is called Power Net. It's not power mesh. It's not mesh. If you see power mesh, that's not it. You want to buy your bra making supplies from a reputable, official lingerie making boutique. And this is Power Net. See how easy it is? This is Power Net. All right. This is non-negotiable in the back. Power Net comes in up to 3 different weights. This is a regular weight. There is a firm weight, a little firmer, just depending on sizing and your preference of support. And then there's a stabilized firm weight. Imagine taking this and pouring starch into it, okay, so that you can get the firmest weight possible. And there's some other uses as well, like corsetry and things like that. So Power Net is non-negotiable in the back. You can't use any other stretch that will give you the support that you need for the front. You're using non-stretch fabric in the front for support, and you're using the Power Net in the back, different weights based on your preference and sizing for the support in the back. Now, here are your elastics. This is your underarm elastic, okay? It's right here on the side. You've seen these fibers and fabrics forever. Now you're able to put a name to them. You see those little ridges? Those are called picots. And this is called picot elastic. That's for underarm. It's smaller than the one for the bottom band. This is the bottom band picot elastic. These elastics come in different measurements. One is 3/8 inch, one is 1/2 inch, and the widest one for bottom band is 5/8 inch. And then here's your strap elastic. Strap elastic also comes in different measurements. You got 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4. All right, this is pretty standard. So it depends on preference, sizing, and the design of your bra. So those are the elastics. So Nikki, how are you gonna keep the bra on? These are hook and eye closures. Okay, these are the closures for the back. Hooks, eyes. All right, and we have a saying when you're actually learning how to put the bra on: left eyes up, right hooks down. Okay, so I'll show you to you this way. Left eyes up, right hooks down. Boop, and there you go. That's the back of the bra and how you close it up. Now let's talk about a few cute things. Here are the rings and slides. Rings and slides that go on your straps. Okay, you can see those right there. Okay, and the rest is your design and your creativity and anything else you want. Just keep focusing on your fit, because that's the actual journey. But that is everything you'll get as far as fabrics. Non-stretch fabrics in the front and stretch fabrics in the back. Your elastics are always stretch, and that allows you to put the bra on and create the fit. All right, let's talk about all the things that come in this kit to get you started. Your wires come in the kit, and that's a whole different conversation, a whole other video that we'll get into another time. So wires come in your kit. You are going to get a set of wires based on what you will presume your size is, because when you purchase a bra in the store, the manufacturers only have a limited number of sizes, and you don't get a wire size. You get a bra size, okay? But wires come in all kind of different sizes so that you can make sure you're getting the most comfortable fit. And I'm sure you have slingshotted a bra off of yourself in the car from wearing a ill-fitting wire all day. Yeah, I know. All right, so your wires come in the kit, and a wire chart. because you're going to also have a gear tie where you can measure yourself. We call this a wire measuring kit. And again, we can't go over that right now. Okay. Right? So this comes with your private fit session if you choose to have one. And whenever you're learning, this is part of the learning process of really learning what size wire do I wear. And this is the chart that goes with it. This comes in your muslin kit along with the wire. And then you're going to make mistakes. So we're going to give you Vanishing Thread. All right, this is water soluble thread. You stitch and you put water on it and the thread dissolves and you're able to pull your two pieces apart and start all over. Only put the vanishing thread in your bobbin. All right, say that one more time. Only put it in your bobbin. Okay, first of all, it's not necessary to put in your top thread and it's expensive. You don't want to use it all up. Put it in your bobbin, and then if you make an error or you need to take your channeling off because you put it on the wrong side, yeah, you'll do that. You want to use your water pen, fill your water pen with water, and this is the water pen that artists use for their, their water drawings, water painting, and you want to fill it with water and just rub it across, or even take your finger and just rub it across. And then you'll be able to take it off and start all over. That is everything that comes in the Bra Making Beginner Bundle. So take a look at your handout and you'll see descriptions of the fabrics that we just reviewed. And again, just remember, when in doubt, non-stretch in the front and stretch in the back. This Bra Builder Beginner Bundle will be available with a discount for your participation in the event. So take a look at it and you may win a bundle and a private fit session at the end of the event. Enjoy. Thank you so much. And we'll be seeing you soon at Bra Builders.
Thank you so much, Bra Builders, for having this incredible resource. I have spent months looking for places to get bra making supplies, and you have it all in one place. So who is ready to make their own bra? Let me know down in the comments if you would want to make your own bra, or if maybe this is something that you're just like, not for me, which is totally okay. And don't forget, this video is part of a series to help you find the perfect fabric for all of your sewing projects, whether that be bras, dresses, whatever it may be. So if you want access to all of the videos, then be sure to join the official event using the link in the description. And be sure to stay tuned for tomorrow, because the last video of the series is going to be all of my best tips and tricks for actually cutting into that beautiful fabric. Because I know for a lot of us, it can feel really daunting and scary, but I have some really good tips and tricks for you to overcome that fear. Now, if you want to start watching more videos right now, you can watch the Fabric Shopping Bootcamp here, or this other video that was selected just for you. So until the next one, happy sewing!